how do I do the skin around the mouth to make it look natural? You can do the greatest mouth and not have it look like it belongs on the face without how you handle the skin around the mouth. Okay, so I'm looking for this V. We're always going to have a little bit of a lighter color around the mouth than this color is good. That's good. Okay, so I'm going to go with that one. We're going to go lighter. So you have a turning edge. The skin goes this way and then it goes into the upper lip, so there's a turning edge. At the edge of that turning edge, you're always going to see a little bit of a light. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in. And remember I told you it was around this area too, so I'm going to go ahead and reinforce that again around that area. I've lost my tear duct over there, so let me quickly go back and fix that.